When it comes to the performance of our glass, for us, good isn't good enough. Maintaining the superior quality of our world-renowned products is what drives us. It's also the reason we test them way beyond industry standards. The experience and expertise we've gained from the last 200 years of producing glass means we have an unrivaled knowledge of how our glass performs in the field. It's helped us create specialized processes that test the performance of our products to their limits and also against our competitors. From wind resistance to impact testing to glass that's better for the environment, we test and retest, always pushing the boundaries to exceed your expectations.